Hi, I'm Robin White. I'm the Head of Campaigns at Shelter Cymru. And in the last few weeks, we've been talking a lot about the inadequacy of local housing allowance. And one of the reasons for that is because of the findings from a new report we just published that showed that across the whole of Wales right now, there are just 14 homes that are affordable and available to people who rely on local housing allowance to cover the cost of the rent. But the inadequacy of local housing allowance isn't something that just affects people who are looking for a home. It's something that actually affects all of us because of the wider impact it has on our local councils and on the Welsh Government. And that's because when the UK government takes a decision to cut or to freeze local housing allowance rates, as has happened quite a lot over the last decade, then that increases the number of people here in Wales at risk of homelessness. And when the number of people at risk of homelessness goes up, the amount of money that local councils and that the Welsh Government have to spend on homelessness prevention or on providing temporary accommodation to people who do become homeless also goes up. And more widely, any effort to tackle or to end homelessness in Wales is then also undermined. And this is why we think that the UK Government and the Chancellor of the Exchequer in particular need to make a real effort to ensure that local housing allowance rates cover the true cost of renting.